right, Mr. Joe. Let's see what we can do today. That's where I'm at. Maybe we're having another one of them days like we had a couple weeks ago. The watercolor looks good. It's gonna get nice. Supposed to be in the 50s by lunch. That's right, you throwing jerkbait too, ain't you? Yeah. I'm gonna switch over to a rattle trap real quick and try it. I don't have that color tied on. I'm gonna throw that silver. Throw this little silver black back. Red throat. And trigger a bite. They surely don't want that jerk that I was throwing yet.
What is buddy?
It's a little stain. I thought it was okay at first, but it's a little stain. I think I'm gonna tie on tie this on. Give it a shot.
That's just a regular
That's
bait, ain't
a jackhammer.
it? It is, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, jerk bait, you need to do something. I'm ready to go to something else. What in the mouth?
I hit that sign.
Oh.
Ringing it. These fish liable to be on the banks. This water temperature.
What's the temperature?
53. And it's gonna get warmer.
Yeah.
There's a fish. It's a good fish too. Feels like maybe. He nailed it too. It might be a jack. It's acting kind of funny. But it's big, whatever it is, Jake. I mean, not giant, I don't think, but it's not no little dink. All right, it's coming. It ain't ready yet, Joe. Look at that, that's a big bass. That's a big bass, Joe.
Good Lord. Good Lord.
That's the biggest fish out of here so far.
Lying. God, no. What in the world?
Oh my God. Well, that's gonna be close to 8 pounds.
Good God. I thought it was a big turtle.
I thought it was gonna be a jack.
I guess I'm gonna have to change baits.
Let's get a weight on this thing, man. 7.56.
Woo.
7.56. Y'all can see that.
The sun's
Oh,
kind of,
So,
I don't know whether it showed on there or not. I can.
let's get a length on this thing. 22 and a quarter. We saw the fish over here breaking, and I threw jerk bait. I don't know what you were throwing. So I tied on the jackhammer. It's the biggest fish I ever caught on the jackhammer. 7.5 something is what it was. Fish nailed it. I mean, it was like a boom nail, hard, beautiful day. Now let's get you on one, Joe. Mwah. All right, y'all, we're gonna turn. Boy, y'all look at that belly. Y'all look at that belly, oh my God. Let's turn it loose. Let's get her back in here, grow a little bit more. See you later, girl. Hey, look at the fish right there, Joe. See him running right there? I saw that fish running. There you go. There you go. Just let that thing sink. Oh, did you see that bass right there?
Well, you broke right there.
Yeah, it broke right there.
I'm going to be right that way. You hit him in the head. say you caught 6 on the worm neck, on the Cinco the next day?
Yeah,
With fish like this, just
Mhm.
picking up on it
Yeah.
once in a while. No weight on it.
Golly, they're breaking over there too.
Time to feed.
You got it.
Yeah, going all right. That's a nice
Yeah,
one.
that's a, feels like a good one again. Maybe. I don't think it's as big as the other one, but it's got a little fight to it.
Go on, Joe.
It's coming. It don't want to though. Don't you jump. Don't jump. Hold on. Don't jump. Feels like it's got a little weight to it again, Joe. I ain't for sure yet.
Oh, yeah. I know. I better go back there. Huh?
Yeah. And we need to look for them breaking. There's one breaking right there.
What you want to do?
No, I just want to throw that out the way. All right, that jackhammer is slow, but when we're catching them feed, they're surely biting it. Gone. That was a feisty fish. I thought it was bigger than that. I mean, that fish right there probably may have been hitting 3 pounds.
Real the same speed.
Yeah, just slow. Oh, did you see that? We're just gonna run around and catch fish that are breaking. I'm gonna let you throw it this one. I wish this fish would break again. He must have got what it was after. You got that's what they call a bee-height delight. Mine's called green shad. So that's my bee-height delight down there in the floor, which is just like that one. Yeah, this one's what they call green shad.
Yeah, but it's got a silver.
Yeah. Got one. It's a little one. No, I don't think so. She's a feisty little thing, I know that.
You like that green shad, don't you?
Have you got one that color? Huh?
I might have. I don't know where I got it with me. Let me check my stuff.
Yeah, you check yours. I'm gonna check mine too. I'll tie this one on.
I got a rib.
I tied a red one on.
All right.
I mean, a 50-degree water temp is right for it. But they ought to hit the one you got tied on. I don't see much difference.
All right. I think that's what I'm just going to do, is leave that one on there. Because, I mean, ain't that a whole lot of difference.
If I catch one more fish, I'm going to hand you this rod. Oh, shit, I just saw a shad come flying out the water right there. Oh, yeah, right up there. I didn't see the fish, but the shad come flying out. Look, you see it? It's running over there. Hold on a second. I'm gonna get you over there close to that. Keep your eyes on that spot now. Is it that right there? Here you go. See him? See him? See him? See him? See him? See him? Yep. You're gonna roll right through it. You got him, Joe? That's what I'm talking about, buddy. Look at that fish right there running them too. Oh my God. Boy, they're getting ready to start up.
Come on to me, baby. I ain't run up in it. I ain't bad.
Get him up here quick. No, that's a good fish right there, Joe.
Oh, God. I ain't skunk.
Not today.
And a fair size too.
That's gonna be a 3.5 pound fish right there.
Yeah.
You got that fish
Did
good.
you have a bite too?
No, the fish are. Look at that. Heck yeah. All right, hold your fish.
At least I got the feel of one. I caught my first one on the chatterbait.
Yeah, sorry about that, y'all. I did not get the release of that fish. I had some mouth. No, it's fine. No. It's fine. I just had a few little malfunctions with the phone, but and I hit the button on this damn thing and it come riding up my back.
That thing was up in the air.
A good fish, Joe. Boom, what I'm talking about. They're on this side. Yeah. And we're gonna sit right here and
wait for him to break.
Wait for him to break again. I guess just keep casting out there. You can throw it a couple times. You might want to wait until we see one. I mean, you can throw it, but especially if we see one, you know, running shad. Look, he just come up and nailed it. I just stopped reeling it, and he come up and nailed it because I was sitting there talking to you. Yeah, I get the net on this one, which it ain't no giant, but I don't know how well I got him hooked. I didn't set the hook on. He set it himself. That's a decent fish. It's bigger than what I thought.
Oh,
See, that's 4.5 pounds right there, Joe. That might be 5.
Man,
hey, throw it right there, Joe.
he just stopped reeling. He nailed it.
I just stopped reeling it, talking to you, and he come up and nailed it.
How about that?
That's gonna be 4.5, maybe 5, but definitely 4.5. 19 inches on this one. It's gonna be 4.5. I don't feel 5. Yes, it is too. 5.02.
Yes, sir.
5.02, y'all. I got a 7.5 and a 5 pound in the same day. Oh, hey, y'all. I was sitting there reeling a jackhammer, and I was talking to him about tying on the bait, and the bait was just laying there in the water, and 5.02 pounds come up and nailed it. 19 inches. Y'all look at that fat belly. Tell me they ain't eating. Golly. Boom. I bought my GoPro so I could do some fish releases, but it ain't turning on for some reason. I don't think I put the card in it. But anyway, let's let this girl go. There you go. There she goes. They won't let you save it to your gallery without posting it because they don't want you to do that. They want you to post them first and then they let you save it. Yeah, look. My bait was like right here, and I just let it fall and I was talking to you. And when I went to turn around, the fish took off with it.
Yeah,
Hey, Joe, throw it right there, quick. There you go, bring it on in. Got him. That's what I'm talking about.
Sure have. He's staying way out there. Come on here, buddy.
Is it a good one? I'd be easy with it. Just keep it tight. Don't let it get loose whatsoever.
Oh, he's going everywhere.
That's a good fish too. There we go.
Don't keep on going crazy, man. He swallowed it too.
Yeah, he choked it. That fish was hungry. So that's what we're gonna have to do. Just arrest your shoulder and wait for him to feed, and then we'll go over there and throw it to him. Boy, these fish can't take it when we're seeing them feed. It's good fish, Joe. All right, turn it loose. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Boom. You got one.
Yeah. Go. You took off to the bottom.
That's a jack.
Son of a gun. Son of a gun. But what we say the other day, if they ain't biting, the bass ain't biting. I got it.
All right. We ain't gonna weigh that one.
Take a picture with me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's still breaking over.
I'll throw it to the left. I'm gonna throw it to the right.
Oh, dad coming up.
No, you're fine.
You gotta be anywhere around there.
I think I got it. No, yeah, dude. I got it.
All right.
Yep. It's a little one. Yeah.
The big one's still over there. Oh shoot, that's big as anyone.
No, that first one you caught was bigger than this one.
Yeah, we hit the big one. Hit the big one. Right here.
You got him? That's what I'm talking about, Jug. We're gonna double up.
No, I don't let him get big. Pulling good. Staying down. Come on here, buddy. A double, ain't it?
We just doubled up.
Yeah, I get it.
These fish can't take it. Show them, Joe. They can't take it out here. Can't take that jackhammer. All right. All right, Joe. That's pretty good fish, man. Pretty good fish. Look here. Mwah. All right, let's turn them loose. Hey, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. That's what I'm talking about. Go ahead. Get another one.
One here.
You got one?
No.
Yeah. It looks like it. I put your rod tip down because that's not a small fish. I don't think it's no giant, but it's not a small one.
Come on here, buddy.
That's another 3-pounder right there.
Come on
Probably.
Here, buddy.
Maybe 2.5.
Come on here, buddy.
Got him.
This reel ain't hitting on jack, I can tell you that.
Yeah, it's about 2 pounds. I thought it was bigger than that when I first saw it jump.
He felt like it. They got some energy, don't
They're definitely smoking it here.
they? Yeah, take.
Good job, man. We're starting to get into them now. Good job.
Right. Gone.
We gotta keep. We can't stop. It might mess up the visual. Well, we're gonna call it a day. We're all tired. The fish has took a break. They've caught it. We ain't had a bite in probably over an hour. But anyway, hey, I appreciate it, Joe.
Yes, sir.
We did pretty good today. I think I caught 9. You caught 6.
Yep, that's it.
Not too bad. I got 2 big ones. So we're gonna call it a day. Try it again another one. And as always, y'all, I sure appreciate you watching. I appreciate it a lot. And if any of y'all are watching TikTok, yeah, this old man is trying it out and I'm having fun with it too. A country boy grandpa. Country with a K. Country boy grandpa. There's gonna be some fishing stuff on that too. All right, y'all.